Okay, I'm so excited about today's recipe because I have never made this before, but it is a classic. It's a favorite. Girls, what are we making today?
Spanish rice.
Let's get to work. Begin with a 1/4 cup of oil on the stove. You want it to go clear. Then we add 2 cups of rice. Give it a stir. You want to coat all your rice in oil so it fries evenly. While the rice starts to brown, we add 1 cup of vegetable stock, but you can use whatever kind of broth you like. We also add 1 cup of chopped cilantro, 1 cup of green onion, 1 can of stewed tomatoes, 4 cups of water, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. And then this next ingredient might be the most important.
So 1 teaspoon, you said? About a 1/4 of salt too. Yeah,
Because teaspoon of salt or no?
Yes, it is. I'm sorry. 1
teaspoon.
teaspoon of
Just-
salt.
no,
No, you're right. You're right. It's
Because
my
I
mom's
just-
recipe. Yeah.
My husband has left out salt before, and it was not good.
It was not good.
I think that's
Yeah.
one of the key
Yeah.
ingredients, right?
Yeah.
So,
Then we mix it up. And give those tomatoes an extra squeeze by hand. So now your wet ingredients is ready to add to your browned rice. And a tip from Abuela Julia.
Doesn't have to be real brown as long as it's fried.
Then slowly add your wet ingredients.
I love that.
On medium heat, cook for about 20 to 25 minutes covered. After about 10 minutes, come and give it a good stir. You don't want any rice to stick. And voila, here it is, Spanish rice. And I couldn't help but wonder if this was Grandma Tapia's recipe that Abuela Julia updated and tweaked over the years.
Well, she had a good recipe, but I added a few ingredients of my own.
okay.
Yeah.
So what were your secret ingredients?
The cilantro and the green onions.
Even if you don't like cilantro, know that Abuela Julia has been doing this a long time. I couldn't even taste the cilantro.
Oh my God. So good. Good one.
I'm not even a fan of cilantro, but this gets my stamp of approval. I went in for many more bites. You can get Abuela Julia's recipe on our website at KOB.com, and to see where their food truck Stuffed Lust will be next, just follow their Instagram and Facebook page.